How to set up and use multiple audio outputs on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, access sound settings. Click on Windows search icon at bottom left and search for sound. You will see the list of sounds, so you need to click on Change System Sound. Open it and a menu box appears. Simply click on Playback tab. Ensure the correct output is enabled. If not, select it and click on Enable button. Now switch to the Recording tab. Right-click on an empty space and check Show Disable Devices. Now you have to locate Stereo Mix. Right-click on it and click on Enable button. After that, you can easily set as default device as well. Then click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now restart your computer so that it ensures the changes take effectively. So that is how we set up and use multiple audio outputs on Windows. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.